a smidge. And then, yes. Hi, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to take a little time to work on my sharpening system for my lathe tools. And this is basically my setup right here. It consists of a Rikon 8-inch low-speed grinder and the Wolverine jig set up for tool holding. And I also have this one CBN wheel, 180 grit from Woodturner's Wonders. Now, when I ordered this wheel, I wasn't aware that Woodturner's Wonders made these spherical washers to go on the wheel, which are supposed to reduce vibration in the wheel due to loose tolerances on the machining of the nut that holds the wheel to the grinder. So what I am going to do before I finish taking this side apart and putting the new wheel on is I'm going to go ahead and shoot some video of this wheel running without the spherical washers, and then I'm going to replace the washer that's currently on there and run it again to see if there's any noticeable difference between using the factory supplied washer and these spherical ones. So let's get started with that. There appears to be a slight amount of wobble in the rotation. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then I'm going to go ahead and swap out those washers, and we'll try it again and see how that goes. So, as you can see, these washers have a spherical shape. One's convex and one is concave, which allows it to compensate for any misalignment with the tightening down of the nut. One observation that I've noticed is, just like they say on the website, you can see where this wasn't sitting perfectly flat before, because these washers don't sit concentric to each other, and as you can see, just rolling it, you can see that it's off just a little bit. I've already partially disassembled this side, but the only piece that's really missing is this outer guard that's held on by these 3 bolts here. One here, and one right here in the front. That's the only thing I've done so far, so I'm not going to put it back on for the purposes of taking it off, but I just wanted to show that you'll have to remove that piece first.
that worked out great. Spherical washers did their job. They took out a little bit of vibration out of the wheels, the way they're installed on the grinder. I'm super excited to have a 350 grit wheel in addition to the 180. The 180 did do just fine. If you can only afford one, I think that's a good compromise, as it's rough enough for reshaping and not taking too long, and it's also fine enough for a good sharp edge. I've been using it for a couple months now. I've been very happy. However, the 350 does seem to provide a finer edge and a better cut. So, if you're going to go with one, 180 is good. If you're going to go with two, seems like 180 and 350 are a good way to go.
Also have a, I don't like any of that. So scratch that. I'll start over. Here we go. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this side to, you know what? I hate that I do that. So we're going to, third time's a trick.
If you like what I'm doing here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And if you'd like to see other related videos, be sure to check the videos that I have listed right over here. Anyway, thanks, and until next time, dread not and make something.